Okay, welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. It's been a while since we put anything up on the site, and we've been busy with a few other projects. We've got our little coupe into the paint booth, and we'll have a look at it. We painted that yesterday. Bit of a rush getting the car done, but we'll go in now. Let's have a look first thing in the morning. Set up overnight. Let's go and have a look and see what we've got. So we found our bonnet was a little bit dry, so we're going to just wet sand that down this morning and reshoot that. Bit of dust in the paint, but overall the doors have come up pretty well. The boot has got a couple of issues in it. We've had, if you can see in here, we actually had some contaminant. Don't know how we got that in there, but we're going to block sand that out and reshoot that this morning. The other door's not looking too bad. Bit of orange peel in it, but that's okay. Scuttle panel, we'll shoot the underside of that this morning, but it's come up quite nice. You can see there. So, and the car, finally, long time coming. So you can see paint's gone on nice. Chosen a slightly darker shade of the 501 Rosso, and that's laid on. Managed to get a good number of coats on it yesterday, so we're relatively happy with how things have come out, apart from, as we said, some of the dust and some of the little bits of contaminant. But as you can see in the background there behind the car, there's a side door that opens up, and as we were painting yesterday, that was opening and closing as we were refilling with paint, and I think we drafted some dust in, but that'll block out. But overall, it's not too bad. So there she is. You can see there we've touched while we're spraying, and you can see the orange peel in the light there, but that'll block sand out nicely and it'll come out flat once we buff it. But overall, not too bad. So the mission for us today is quickly finish up with what we're doing and get this on the trailer and back to our workshop, and that's when we'll start putting this back together. So quick update, hope you've enjoyed that, and feel free to post any comments, and as long as they're respectful, share this with others who are like-minded, and we'll get some more videos up online once we start working this a little bit further. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.